If you need to give someone access to a domain in Namecheap, this video will walk you through the entire process step by step. Whether you're working with a developer, a team member, or a client, sharing access the right way can save time and make domain management much easier. And if this tutorial helps you out, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more easy software guides just like this. Alright, let's jump in. First, log into your Namecheap account. Once you're inside your dashboard, look for the domain list section. This is where all of your registered domains are displayed in one place. Find the domain you want to share access to and then click Manage next to that domain. That will open the settings for that specific domain. Now, at the top of the domain settings, open the Sharing and Transfer tab. This is the section where Namecheap lets you control who can access and manage the domain. Inside this tab, look for the Share Access or Manager option. This is the feature you'll use to invite another Namecheap user to help manage the domain. Next, enter the Namecheap username or the email address of the person you want to give access to. Double check that the information is correct before moving forward, because this is what sends the invitation to the right account. Once you've entered it, click Add. After that, Namecheap will let you choose the permissions you want to grant. This is an important step because you can decide exactly how much access that person should have. If you want them to fully manage the domain, choose full access. That gives them complete control over the domain settings, just like the owner, depending on the permissions available in your account. If you only want to allow limited access, review the permission options carefully and select only what they need. This is a good idea if you're working with contractors, assistants, or anyone who should not have full control over your account. Once you've selected the right permissions, Namecheap will ask you to enter your account password to confirm the action. This is a security step to make sure you're authorizing the access yourself. Type in your password carefully, then click Confirm or Add to send the invitation. At this point, the invited person will receive an email invitation from Namecheap. After they open the email and accept the invitation, they'll be able to manage the domain based on the permissions you granted. If you chose full access, they'll be able to handle the domain more broadly. If you selected limited access, their actions will be restricted to those settings, and that's it. You've now learned how to grant access in Namecheap and share domain management safely and properly. This is a really useful skill if you're collaborating on a website, handing off a project, or giving a team member access without sharing your entire account login. If this video helped you, please remember to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications so you don't miss the next tutorial. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.